I used to spend hours every day building apps with all these popular vibe coding tools. They looked cool, but they weren't production ready, and they didn't make me money at all. So I stopped jumping between tools and started building AI agents instead. That changed everything. 3 days ago, I built an AI agent that scrapes my competitors' YouTube titles and thumbnails daily, analyzes patterns, and drafts 5 high-converting hooks for my next video. What used to take me 60+ minutes a day now runs automatically. Today, I'll show you how to build and monetize AI agents using one platform. This is Appy AI, a platform that lets you build AI-powered apps and agents entirely through conversation. I'll show you how to create your own agent, customize it to your needs, and turn it into a money-making tool. Use the link in description to start using this platform for free. First, we need to give our agent a detailed description. I'm pasting in my prompt and clicking "Let's talk about it." What I'm building is an AI agent for lead generation, for me and for anyone who buys it. Next, start a conversation with the Appy agent. Just answer the questions it asks. Think of it like briefing a developer. Once that's done, it begins building your agent automatically. Grab a cup of coffee and let it work its magic. And here we go. Our AI agent is ready. The interface is clean and simple, perfect for what we need. Now let's test it. I'm asking it to find 10 marketing managers at SaaS startups in North America. That's it. Just click send. The agent immediately starts searching multiple sources, Google, LinkedIn, extracting and analyzing all the relevant data. In just moments, it delivers all the requested leads, complete with detailed statistics. Each lead is categorized as excellent fit, good fit, or marginal fit. And you also get descriptions, contact information, and even guidance on how to approach each lead effectively. Another important feature is that all leads are saved in a built-in database, so the AI doesn't start from scratch next time. It remembers past interactions, learns from them, and improves its results over time. It's worth noting that Appy runs on AI-driven systems that adapt in real time to changing data and user needs. This makes it self-improving, autonomous, and resilient, even with complex workflows. For example, if you click the drop-down to adjust preferences, you'll notice the settings align perfectly with your app's behavior. Users can also input their own data, and the agent intelligently applies it to the workflow. And here's another standout feature. The platform handles marketing and payments automatically. It builds a landing page or sales page, manages user signups, and processes payments for you, so you can focus on results rather than back-end setup. Now let me show you how to publish your AI agent and share it with others. It's really simple. Just click the publish button and your agent goes live instantly. Appy gives you a URL that you can share, and now anyone can access your agent. Open the link in a new browser and you'll see a ready-made landing page with a Get Started button. Right now, our app is free. I'll show you how to add pricing in a moment. Let's test it by clicking Get Started for free. As you can see, the authentication system works perfectly. Users must sign up before using your AI agent. No extra setup, no coding required. If you want to customize your agent further, just click back and add more instructions to match your exact needs. You can also add tools. Appy AI supports everything you might need, plus integrations with platforms like Airtable, Calendly, Gmail, and many others. This means your agent can handle complex workflows. It can read and reply to emails, schedule calls, or perform tasks on your behalf, depending on how you set it up. And because everything is connected to Appy's built-in database, all your data, chats, and interactions are saved. The AI learns from it, understands your users better, and can carry out tasks more autonomously over time. Now, the best part, monetization. Appy has built-in Stripe integration, so you can start charging without building a backend. You can charge for access to advanced features, or productize your workflow as a paid entry point. The key idea? You're not charging for your time. You're charging for access to your process. Once your agent is set up, you can republish it and start generating revenue immediately. Finding Appy honestly changed the way I build. I can finally turn ideas into real monetizable AI apps without fighting the tech. It solved the backend, auth, deployment, and payments so I can focus on results. If you're serious about building AI agents and turning them into income, try Appy and start building your first agent today. The link is in description. Massive thanks to Appy AI for sponsoring today's video. If you build an agent, tell me about it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.